So anyway, sige, greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so that they may be strengthened in their life together. We are here to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment of the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? May kukontra po sa wedding? Kung wala, very good, let us continue. Sige, tayo na tayong dalawa. Maghanap na kayo, Angel sa Maribel. Kuha ko may kamay niya. O sige, Maribel, are you here? Maribel pala, sorry. Maribel, tama? Maribel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes.
Yes. Angel Luther, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, sir.
Kung gusto nyo, tanggalin nyo na yung mask. Nakaboxing naman tayo para maganda sa picture. No? Oo. Anyway, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Yes, very good. Sige, Angel Luther, will you have Maribel to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Maribel, will you have Angel Luther to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Very good. As you start your new life as husband and wife, you should be remembering that. Sige, kunin mo na yung sing-sing, Angel Luther, para ilalagay kay Maribel. And follow after me. Sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all
and with all
that I am,
that I am,
all and all
and all
that I have,
that I have,
I honor you.
I honor.
Suot mo na yung sing-sing. Ganun din, Maribel, kunin mo na yung sing-sing. Follow after me, sabihin mo sasabihin ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow
and with all that I am,
with
all that I have,
all I have.
I honor you.
I honor.
Sige, suot mo na yung sing-sing. Yan. O, sige, ngayon naman, harap kayo sa inyong family members. Ma'am, ano naman payo nyo sa bagong kakasal? Wish nyo at saka payo sa mga bagong kakasal.
Sorry.
Sana pagbutehin mo yung pagsasama niyo. Alam mo, malayo. Pagbutehin mo talaga. At saka, sana naman
may wish ka din sa kakasal? Ano gusto mo sabihin naman?
Sana kahit anong problema sa buhay nila, sana makakaintindihan sila.
Thank you. Ano naman, marat naman tayo dito. Ano naman payo nyo po at saka wish sa bagong kakasal?
lahat.
Ay, alam mo.
You have to sacrifice when you come for as husband and wife. You have to sacrifice all things that you will meet on your way. All problems you have to solve each other and always be happy, especially so that child it is your who will meet all that will give a child.
Mera, Boyet, nanggaling sa malayo si Mera. Pagkalayo kayong dalawa, you enjoy your life habang bata pa kayo. At saka kung may problema, sa Diyos lahat. Oh? Sa Diyos. Laging merong nasa gitna ninyo ang Diyos. Okay? At saka, isipin din ninyo ang inyong, kung may magpabinyag kayo o kaya ano, isipin ninyo yung mga sponsors ninyo. Okay, enjoy yung buhay. At saka, pag nai-enjoy ninyo ang inyong buhay, maisosolve ninyo din ang inyong mga problema. Okay.
Thank you. Maganda. So dito naman po, harap tayo doon sa ninong-ninang sa mga guests. Ano naman kung wish natin sa kinakasal? Hindi, kahit guest or family or friends. Ano pong naman gusto mo sabihin?
Leo Dalit.
Mayroon sa amin. Sana dahil ganito ang buhay, yung hindi lagi puro sarap dahil yung magkawalan sa tingin ko dahil sa salamin lang nagbenta si Mayra lumiwanag ang paningin ni Angel. Sana ganun pa rin hanggang pagtanda, maliwanag, ganun pa rin ang kaganda pagtingin mo sa asawa. Ganun ka rin Mayra kay Boyet para maiwasan natin yung iba hindi mawawala yung pagmamahal. Kung nawawala yung pagmamahal mo sa isa, nababawasan yung doon nakakaroon ng problema dahil hindi mo iniingatan, hindi mo kinakaya, hindi mo rin irespeto yung partner mo. Kaya dapat yung pagmamahal sa pagmamahal sa Panginoon, yun lang ang ilalagay natin sa dito natin.
Bilang tita, congratulations. And Mira, welcome to our family. Saka yung advice ko, pag may problema, mas magandang kami yung lapitan nyo, hindi yung kaibigan. Lalo-lalo ka, Mira. Open naman ate ko. Siya ang una mong lapitan. Hindi yung magulang mo kasi hindi nila alam. Saka ikaw, Boyet, ikaw yung may problema. Yung magulang ni Mira ang lapitan mo para magkaintindihan. Kasi pag yung magulang yung lapitan mo, syempre andun yung ano niya na kakampi lang. Yun ang advice ko. Tapos laging kung may hindi pag-uunawaan, isolve muna bago matulog. Hindi yung extend bukas. Yung lagi yan. Laging may respeto at pagmamahal. Saka number 1 yung ating Panginoon. Congratulations.
Thank you. Okay. Sige, mamaya na lang yung iba. O, dito na, sige magharap na kayo sa isa't isa. Hawakan mo na yung kamay niya, Angel. Sige, muna tayo. Mirabel, ano naman promise mo, vows mo sa inyong husband-to-be? May sinulat yata kayo? Ayun, sige. Sige, basahin mo na.
My love, sa wakas kasal na tayo. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon. Zero makeup ka.
Okay, tears of joy.
Gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon na pinagtagpo tayo. Salamat sa lahat, love. Sa pagkaswerte ko dahil pinili mo ako. Pinapangako na ito lang ako para sa iyo at sa ating buong pamilya. Sa anumang pagsubok na darating, haharapin natin magkatuwang. Hindi man ako perfecto pero sisikapin kong maging mabuting asawa sa iyo at ina ng mga magiging anak natin. Hindi ako bibitaw, pagkos ako ang naging lakas mo sa mga araw na ikay mahina. I love you so much.
Very good. Ikaw naman, Angel Luther, ano naman gusto mo sabihin sa papamangasawa mo?
Sa aking mahal, salamat sa Panginoon at dumating ka sa aking buhay. Ang araw na ito ay special dahil ito ang magiging simula ng ikaw bilang kasiyahan ko ay magiging aking kurong. Pinapangako ko na mamahalin, aalagaan at susuportahan kita habang buhay. May mga pagsubok nang dumating sa ating pagsasama. Atin itong makakaya at makakatagumpayan sa pagkakaroon ng panalangin, pagdadamayan at pagmamahal. Mahal na yan.
Ganda. O sige, hawakan mo na yung kamay niya ulit. Karawan. Sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko Angel Luther. I hereby take you, Maribel,
I hereby take you, Mirabel,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my soul.
Maribel, follow after me also. I hereby take you, Angel Luther,
I hear you, your angel Luther,
to be my
to
husband,
be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one in heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better,
for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health,
in sickness and
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to service,
until we be parted by death.
and to party of death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my son.
Okay? By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. You may now kiss.
1 minute.
Wala ka na. Yun. Sige. Ninong-ninong ako, witness naman. Pirma tayo. Yung mga ninong-ninong ko, mag-witness po dito sa harapan para pipirmahan ko sila. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture taking tayo na po. Ay, picture taking na po tayo. Okay, dito sa with the family po muna siguro, family. Ay, okay.
Sila mo lang kayo. One.
Para sweet. Kita ka nun.
Gitna kayo. Gitna kayo ng konti.
Ay, okay.
1, 2, 1, 2. Sama ang parents nila
The family.
with Mayor.
Ay, okay.
Sama ka. One, two. Wait lang. 1, 2.
Oh, ninong-inang.
Ninong-ninang. With Mayor ulit.
Ay,
Ninong-ninang.
Sinamot lang ta. Kadem Dimas.
One.
Dimas.
Paki taga-lima. 1, 2. Okay.
sino ba? Ay, sino ba?
Family ni girl.
Ah, family.
Sana naman ang dala ko